my name is Rosalind Bazell. Thank you for joining me on my channel. I'm so excited to have my little sous chef who decided to come and join me again in the kitchen.
Hello, my name is Chef Mitchell.
And we are going to be demonstrating 3 great low-calorie, family and kid-friendly desserts. So Derek, which one do you want to start with?
I want to do the banana pudding.
Okay, all right, let's get started. So we'll start with our bananas. So we already have half a banana cut up in this bowl, and then we're going to slice up the other half. So we're using the mini Nilla wafers, which each bag is only 130 calories. And so again, we're trying to find creative ways and fun ways to provide desserts for our kids.
The pudding tastes really good.
Oh, awesome. So are we gonna add some cinnamon?
Yeah.
Okay. Just a little shake. Yes, that's awesome. So what's up next, Derek? What do you want to do?
We're going to do the strawberry dessert.
Okay, perfect. So this one is going to have vanilla, Greek yogurt, strawberries, and graham crackers. So we'll start by slicing our strawberries up really nicely. And Derek, while I'm slicing, you can go ahead and take 1 graham cracker and put it over the bowl, and you're gonna smash it. You're gonna just crush it with your beautiful little hands. What do you like about graham crackers, Mr. Derek?
They're made with honey.
They're made with honey? And so we'll take our strawberries and place them on top. All right, so when you're ready, go ahead and take those strawberries and place them in the bowl. Stir it up first, and then place it in the bowl. What do you think? You think this one deserves cinnamon too?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for it. Why not? Perfect. That looks amazing. Good job, Dee. So Derek, what's next?
The apple dessert.
All right, man, what are we gonna do? What's first?
We're going to mash the graham crackers.
All right, that's your job. So the apple dessert is basically gonna consist of an apple sliced up, and then I steamed it. And so I used a bayaba, which is a device that I purchased when I first had Derek to make all of his food as a baby. But it still becomes very useful for smaller things like this, where I just want to steam something really quickly in a small portion. And once you have the apple sliced up thinly, it should look like this. Smaller slices, and then you place it into the bayaba to steam for the set amount of time. Are you eating the dessert? And we're just gonna bring half of the apple into one bowl, and the other half in the other bowl. And what will we add next? You just got too much in your mouth, huh? Yeah. Go ahead.
The whipped cream.
All right, are you gonna do the whipped cream?
Yeah.
Okay, can I shake it up for you? Just a little bit, okay? Okay, in the bowl. That's good. Perfect, Derek. And what are we gonna top it off with?
Huh?
What shall we top it off with? A shake of a what?
A shake of a cinnamon.
Yes, great.
Ground cinnamon. Shake.
Yep.
And shake.
So that was an excellent job. Now we get to taste all these wonderful desserts. So thank you so much for joining us today on our 3 healthy, family-friendly desserts that are low calorie and good for you all at the same time. I hope you'll visit us again and Click rosinbazell.com to get more information, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel today. Do you have anything you want to add today, Mr. Derek?
Yes. Have a nice time. I'm cooking with us. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.